Hello, my crafty friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be working on my day one December daily page, and I like to start my December dailies with my prompts. And I don't always put it as my day one, but this year I wanted to do something kind of big and like a two-page spread. So I figured just to kind of save time and have one day kind of done, I would just do it on my day one. So I am going to go ahead and jump in and kind of start the process. Now you'll see that black and white paper magically turns into this gray, like plaid paper. And I just felt like I wanted something a little less subtle in on the back besides that black and white paper. So basically this is what this is going to look like. I took the Elle Studios labels and I put a bunch of them kind of around, and I counted the labels probably at least 10 times. So I don't know how many times in this actual video I count the labels, but I counted them a couple times. I'm pulling out my December daily prompt list here that I have in my Christmas journal or Christmas planner. If you haven't seen this, I do have quite a few videos on this planner. And so if you are wanting to check that out, I'll make sure I leave a link to everything down below in my Christmas 2020 planner. I thought this video was not going to be a voiceover, so I am actually kind of talking through this part, but I do end up doing a voiceover because this took me quite a long time to do. Okay, so again, most of the stuff is from Elle Studios. Actually, everything but the number is from Elle Studios, at least in this shot right now. That December is one of the journal cards, and I did want to have a little bit more of the gray peeking out, so I did decide to cut the December out a little bit. And with that Ali Edwards felt number, I just loved how it kind of mimicked the same line as the R in the journal card, so I lined that kind of up, and I did put it on some foam tape to kind of prop that up a little bit. This will be outside of the cover. It'll just be, outside of the pocket page. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to find different stickers and different things and kind of decorate each page to go with each of my prompts. And as I was going through my die cuts, I found these 3 different little pieces that I had from some collection I got. And actually 3 of them really worked out well for the 3 of my different prompts. So I have Deck the Halls as one of my prompts. I have Going to See Lights as one of my prompts. And then I have Christmas Eve as another one of my prompts. So I was like, these are perfect. I'll just use these in kind of, and I like, again, to design with 3s. So I thought that was perfect because I had 3 of them. I could use those 3 as kind of focal points to kind of bounce around the page, because the page gets pretty busy. Here at the end, you'll see that it gets pretty busy. Yeah, so there I am counting again to make sure that I have enough of these labels, and then kind of just reorganizing to make these fit. When I was organizing them, I was really trying to make sure that I didn't have too many red labels together and too many green ones. I was kind of trying to separate the colors a little bit to make sure that they all kind of had, the colors kind of were all in different spots. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm testing out, okay, what color do I like the best in that little spot? I do some of the labels up and down, some of them, horizontally, some of them vertically, just to kind of create some interest. And then I don't necessarily put them in order, even though my Christmas tree one and my Deck the Halls are right next to each other. The 2 and the 3 are right next to each other. I don't do that throughout the whole thing. So I wanted just to find one little Christmas tree thing there. So I had a die cut. That little chipboard sticker actually came from Ali Edwards last year. I did take the chipboard part off of it, and I just used the little piece, the little glittery piece, just to help with some of the bulk of this page. It's going to get pretty bulky because I am going to put several of the labels on foam tape. So I'm just showing you a couple of examples of what I'm doing. So for instance, the Deck the Hall. So there's 2, there's 3, and then my next prompt is going to be my wish list. So I had a sticker that said something about wish list, but didn't quite like the exact sentiment. So I just modified the sticker and just says on your wish list. So that's going to go there. And then I'm going to put the number 4. So I used the same number stickers for all of them to kind of give it some symmetry. And then I had this one sticker from one of my planning books. It came from one of the Simple Stories planner books, and I just thought it was so cute. So I stuck that on there, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a black pen and write in the boxes. I just write, it had the boxes cut out, so I just went around the cutout just to show the boxes a little bit more. And then I'm going to take a sticker and check off the shopping, because that's number 5. So that's kind of when I started deciding I wasn't going to put them all in order, that they were all going to be mixed up. Yeah, I really like how that one turned out. Okay, and then I'm going to show you this number 6 here, and then I actually am going to do kind of a sped up version of, if you watch my planner videos, you'll know what sticker time is, but I'm basically going to do kind of a holiday version of sticker time and just watch me create with some music in the background, and you can kind of see all of the different pieces that I created. It's sticker time! Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick creative moment there without me cutting out and doing all of that. It was really super fun to make. It took me a long time though, to find all the different stickers and, you know, kind of make sure it had all the elements that I wanted. All right, so now I'm going to kind of work on putting these pieces together. So I'm going to put the calendar there on the front of this, that day one, because I want obviously day one to be a full page spread. And I have these little removable tabs that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they are definitely not super high quality and, you know, fabulous little tab things, but they work for what I want them to work for. They are removable, so their stickiness is not really there. But I really like the tab idea. This is something Ali Edwards does a lot, and I saw them at the Dollar Tree. I picked them up. I'm like, I'm just going to use these because they, you know, are only $1. And there's a big pack of them. So you'll see those throughout my December daily. My plan is to post for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for my December daily videos. And so far I'm doing good. This week is this is my Wednesday video, and oh no, this is my Thursday video. So I have my Tuesday video posted and I have my Wednesday video posted. So I'm super happy about that. Okay, and now I'm going to just put this little tab on there. I do end up putting little phrase stickers on that tab, but I don't show that in this video. I don't think I show this in the video. Maybe I do. I don't remember. I filmed this quite a while ago. All right, so I found these cool tab things through the Felicity Jane website, and they're like just basically a little tab that you can put in a to put your papers in without actually punching the holes. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this little calendar on there. I definitely did not want to punch holes in that calendar. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this on. I was thinking about maybe leaving like a pocket or something, but I decided not to do that. I just decided to glue the whole thing down. I just couldn't think of anything that I'd want in a pocket, but it might be a cute place to put a little pocket. And yep, so that is on there. And then, so what I'm going to do with the calendar, somebody had mentioned this in one of the videos that I was watching, is that they record the weather. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm in California, so weather is not extremely different, but I think it would be fun just to see kind of what the cold days are and how many hot days there were and rainy days and stuff like that. So hopefully we get some kind of weather this year. So I'm sitting here talking in the video, but I am going to push back. There we go. So now you can kind of see the finished product. I really like it. I really think it's kind of just a really vibrant pop of color when you first open the book. I'm going to write my reason why there at the top, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Now I'm going to show you kind of a closer look at it here in a second, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.